Look at this. Look at this. So you have these ants. Move, girl. And they're building all the way across the road. Look. You come over here. Look at these guys. See? They're doing some heavy work. And they're right going across in the middle of the road. Hey, that's pretty cool. Never seen this before. Of course, they're going to do all this work, and there's going to be traffic coming up and down this gravel road, and they'll have to figure out that they're in the wrong place. Pretty interesting, though. It's my girl. Don't worry, guys. I'm not allergic to that. So I'm not worried about it. Some of you are. Now, I wouldn't suggest grabbing it by your bare hands, but I have done that plenty of times when I was tearing stuff down for people and whatever. Just saying. And I always washed my hands afterwards, but I can touch it and it don't really affect me. Or it didn't used to. Cool. Exploring a little bit. The gravel road is right there, but I seen a little spot I could come in here and walk up in here for a minute. Just finished recording those ants on the road. I'm going to splice these two videos together here. Make it into one little short, I guess. Biddy's over there running around. This log right here will be a good log for me to sit on and meditate. And it's just right there. I can just come right off in here. On another day, I'll probably wander off and just kind of move around up in here.